All right, guys, check it out. On the front cover of the new Enthusiast magazine, Just GQ, he's also in here. And back here, these two guys I know, Build, Rod, Repeat, and his dad, Larry. So guys, make sure you check out the new Enthusiast magazine from Harley-Davidson this month. All right, guys, keep gliding. As always, have a blessed day.
So I got an Instagram notification from Traveling Tall, and he tagged me in the reel. He just received his issue of Harley-Davidson's Enthusiast magazine. And my dad and I are featured in this recent issue. So I got the missus with me. We're out here at Harley-Davidson, Washington, D.C., and came out here to see if we could track down an issue of the Enthusiast magazine. So let's go on in here, see if we can find an issue of this thing. You all right?
Yeah,
All right, doing well. Okay, got the bike riders. Okay, ooh, look at that. Okay, ooh, look at this. You got the. Hey, how's everything? Hagen? Keegan?
Yes, sir.
All right, what's happening, Keegan?
Any questions you guys got?
Appreciate it. Huh? You like that? Oh, that's that Sportster.
Reminds me of Captain America bikes. He's in the Avengers.
It reminds you of Captain America's bike? Well, I think that's a Nightster, which is basically a Sportster base bike, whatever. And I think these, that is a Pan America.
So Adam has.
Yeah, that's what Adam has. They got a copy of the Factory Racing Team. I'm gonna get a copy of this for my son's room. It's interesting they got it. Hey, man, you are the man.
And I saved you one.
Oh, man.
That's the last one in the building.
Thank you so much. Oh, my gosh. This is even better.
Thank you.
Oh, my gosh, yes. So, this is issue 107. Issue 107 of the Enthusiast magazine.
Last copy in the store.
Last copy in the store.
Saved for you.
Man, oh man, I'm blessed and grateful. That's my man GQ out there in New Orleans. Okay, I'm gonna let you go ahead and turn the pages. Go ahead and, okay, that's my man GQ, okay. Good grief, all right. Okay. Yokin, CEO of the MoCo. Hey, look at that guy.
Oh, look at that. Look at this guy. These guys right here.
Hey,
Oh, this is like the little things that you're supposed to, right?
dope.
That's cool.
Hey, oh, let me see. Right there. Right there. American Dreaming. The dawn of a new era. Good grief. Okay. 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 The bike riders. Okay. Saddle up. You know what I'm saying? King of the baggers. It's my partner now. That's Kyle, that's James. There's Kyle right there as well. On our CVO Rogue Glide ST. All right. Okay. Wow.
Nice picture, y'all. Oh, that's cool.
Woo-hoo. Look at Big Larry. Wow. Wow.
Ain't that secret no more, huh?
Right. You know, oh my gosh, just put it out there for the, oh my gosh. I've never had this recipe. How you all get it? That's messed up.
That's cool. That's sweet. So y'all visited her while y'all was down there?
Yeah, we stopped by there and grabbed them peanuts. You know what I'm saying? She got us right. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't come to Savannah without getting a bowl of peanuts.
That's really cool. That's a really cool article. I like this recipe. You gonna use this?
Oh my gosh. How you guys get the recipe?
It ain't secret no more.
Man. Oh man, this is so dope. Now apparently I gotta kill all you because you have the secret recipe. So no, I'm not gonna kill you all. But shouts out to my dad and my aunt and the good folks from the motor company who man brought us together to do this. Oh, this is so dope. Oh man, so grateful. Man, see, the last issue in the entire dealership. It's one of the reasons why I like Harley-Davidson in Washington, D.C., because stuff like this. You gotta come in here and meet people like this. How you doing there, sir?
What's going on, Larry?
I'm doing well,
Right.
Thank you so much for this. Oh my gosh, like, this is really what I came here for. I was like, Mom, see.
And I've been telling everybody who came in and even all the employees, like, oh, no, these are our customers.
Right. I appreciate that.
Customers made the issue.
Oh man, I'm so grateful, man. Oh man, I gotta bless you with the new joint.
Man, I appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, it's going on vacation with me. We're going to Jamaica Sunday. I'm taking it with me.
Okay.
I know y'all just shared the anniversary.
Yes, sir.
The anniversary is Wednesday. So
All right, well, happy pre-anniversary.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
It's going in all.
All right. All right. I'm so grateful, man. I really appreciate this, man. Like,
You're welcome.
and it still amazes me, like, what happened. Like, I still can't believe it. And I still can't believe my aunt gave you all the family recipe. I've never gotten it. Yeah, along with everybody else. Oh, man. So, how are you doing, sir?
I'm good. Business is good.
Yes,
Health
sir.
is good. Yes, sir.
Indeed. So is that the new shirt?
This is actually gone. So the new
Okay.
shirts are actually what you see up top,
Right here?
with the National Harbor on the back. Yeah,
Oh,
yes,
okay.
sir. That's our
Okay.
National Harbor. It is about 5 minutes away from here, so
Okay.
has become a new landmark for us.
Okay.
Trying to get back to like the national monuments, the DC skylines,
Okay.
you know, stuff that makes here. So
Okay. So yeah, I'm super grateful of the good folks here at Harley-Davidson in Washington, D.C. I didn't even get a chance to walk in the place real good before somebody handed me a copy of the newest issue of the Enthusiast magazine. Of Harley-Davidson's Enthusiast magazine. Wow, Deanna, this is a pretty big deal.
Yeah, it's dope.
Oh man. Thank you, Deanna.
You're welcome. Larry, I am very excited and I am very proud of you and your dad. This is really cool.
Oh man, this is pretty dope. So, if you like stuff like this, thank you for tuning in this episode of Bill Right Repeat. If you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're here in Washington D.C., make sure you stop in at Harley-Davidson of Washington D.C. They've got some awesome deals on bikes and some awesome shirts and stuff as well. So come through. All right. See y'all on the next one.